Everybody always asks me, how do you eat raw chicken? Well, let me tell you. Let me show you how to eat raw chicken. First thing you need is raw chicken. You got raw chicken? We that live in the Matrix, we get the raw chicken like this. In a plastic bags. Because people living in the Matrix, we don't like them kids anymore. So we got our foods in plastic bags. But when you get your raw chicken, make sure it got that hard. It means it's made with love. And you want a raw chicken that's raised and made with love. Just how nature intended. So we got our raw chicken in the plastic. If you got your raw chicken in the wild, that's even better. Even better raw chicken. Now we're gonna choose our raw chicken from the plastic bag. Fuck the plastic. Today I'm feeling like maybe this raw chicken over here. Like that. Then what we gonna do, wait a second. Then we gonna do is get a plate. And we gonna let the raw chicken sit on a plate for a couple hours. Let the bro chill a bit. Let the raw chicken chill a bit, couple hours. It's gonna make it more tasty. Room temperature raw chicken, much better. So let the raw chicken chill. But today, we don't got that time. So we take the raw chicken from the plate. We smell the raw chicken. All of us. Sometimes it's smelly. If it's old raw chicken, it might smell. This one, no smell. Very neutral. Then we're gonna look the raw chicken. Looks amazing. Then we're gonna, you can thank the raw chicken if you want. Thank the nature, thank the God. Next up, you're gonna put the raw chicken in your mouth and you're gonna chew like human beings eat your food. Take a big bite. And always use your hands. It makes the eating experience a whole lot better. You can chew the raw chicken. Because more you chew the raw chicken, more you're gonna get the raw chicken flavor. And everybody always asks me, how is the raw chicken flavor? Well, pussy, if you do what I'm showing you here, you're gonna find out real quick. When the raw chicken touches your tongue, you chew it, get it all over your mouth to get the full raw chicken experience. You're gonna know the flavor of raw chicken. But if you're newbie, I can tell the raw chicken flavor is the best chicken flavor. The raw chicken flavor is the nature's OG chicken flavor. I think that's how God wanted us to eat the chicken. When He gave the chicken to us on earth. It's in the Bible. Look it up. It's even in the Quran. I think Buddha even said that. Bhagavad Gita. It's in there, dude. Every belief system loves the raw chicken. It's not like the pork. Some belief systems hate pork. But raw chicken, loved by everybody, including your taste buds. Your taste buds gonna have a real party up in there. The only problem you might have is you have ruined your taste buds with all these matrix gabagoos and gabagis. The matrix food, that food destroys you, just like the matrix destroys your soul, your human spirit. It gets fucked over by the matrix. But if you wanna escape the matrix, you wanna break free, you have to embrace the nature. Embrace the nature every which way possible. Those natural flavors. Your taste buds, they love those natural flavors, just like our natural senses. I love the natural beauty of women. All those man-made recipes with billion, jillion different ingredients just nuke your taste buds. That's kinda like the OF of the food kingdom. Just like the women of today's society whore around and use jillion billion makeup products to hide their nature, their true nature. That's exactly what we do to our foods with these recipes. Maybe someday, maybe here and there you can enjoy them. Just like you can enjoy your beaches. But is it really good for you? Is it really good for your soul? Or kinda destructive? I'll let you decide that for yourself. The last bite of the raw chicken, always the best bite. And at the same time, the worst bite. Because you know, after that, the raw chicken is gone in your tummy. But that's the best part also, because raw chicken is always the friend of your tummies. Probably top 3 most easily digestible foods human being can eat. Which is funny, because most people think the complete opposite. But thinking ain't the same as knowing. And with the 200 days of experience, I'm here to tell you the humanity, the raw chicken is the friend of your tummy. Make human tummies great again. Let's eradicate bloating, farts, gas, and all that disgusting shit. Pot bellies need to go. Nobody likes that shit. And raw chicken. That stuff never keeps you dead. Not one single fart has been come out of my anus after eating raw chicken. That's how you eat the raw chicken.